Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to do the color blending. So let's see how to do making a simple greeting card. To make this simple greeting card, you have to fold the A4 sheet into half, then start drawing as shown. To begin with, let me draw some balloons. To draw a balloon, I just draw an inverted U and then join both the tips and draw a triangle shape at the base. This becomes the shape of the balloon. In the same way, I do 4 balloons here. Once I have drawn all the balloons, I just start blending the colors. First I take dark green. Here I am blending 3 colors. First I take dark green, I give horizontal strokes. Moving down, the color becomes very light, that is, apply very little pressure. Then apply light green and then give horizontal strokes and do yellow. At the same way, do it for the other balloon using red and yellow, red, orange and yellow. First, I give horizontal strokes with red, then I give orange horizontal strokes from down to top so that both the colors mix or blend together. At last, I give a final touch up with yellow color so that all the 3 colors blend together. Now the other combination I use is dark blue and light blue. First I give dark blue horizontal strokes from darker to lighter shade. Then I use light blue horizontal strokes and complete the picture completely. Make sure that both the color blend very well. Blend is nothing but mixing of 2 colors. Next combination is pink and purple. First dark to light I use the pink and then purple light to dark. This is a simple technique of color blending. So I have blended all the 4 balloons with 4 different color combinations. You can try any of the colors. Next, I just draw some wavy lines and write happy for the first balloon. Then continue the wavy lines till I reach the balloon. Next I write birthday and then write some wavy lines till I touch the balloon. Third balloon, I just write TO2 with the wavy lines, and the 4th balloon I write my dear and just continue the lines till I reach the balloon. This completes the greeting card. At the base you can add your loved one's name. You can do it for birthday, anniversary, best wishes, congratulations and any of your choice. Now for giving some detailing, I write some hearts here and there randomly and fill in with red color. Just fill all the hearts with red color. This completes the picture. A very easy technique of color blending. Hope you liked it and you learned how to make a simple greeting card using a color blending concept. See you all in the next class next week. Until then, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.